In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install JetBrains MPS on Windows operating system. To download the software, in Google search box, write there JetBrains MPS, then go on this jetbrains.com site. So this is Meta programming system. Let's click on this download. So by using this, you can create your own domain. Here, this is available for Windows, Mac, Linux. Let's click on this. This is for Windows. So here you can see the file is now currently downloading. Total size 711 MB. PS 2026 exe file that's downloaded. Simply you need to click on this exe file and wait for a few seconds. This come from JetBrains. Let's click on yes button and please wait while setup. Click on next. Here I agree. Next. Install. So this is now installing this JetBrains MPS. Now you can see this here completing. Let's click on finish. Thereafter, simply you can open this JetBrains MPS 2026. So this icon you need to click. This is about license. Check this. Click on continue. Don't send. And here, you can see the next step that's coming there. Project. Welcome. Click on this allow. So this here, you can click on this customize, and here customize this. You can customize there ID plugins. Okay, let's move on this project. So this three stats come there. Click on this new language project location, and here click runtime and sandbox solution. You can also get the empty project. So let's select the first option. Click on this OK. So this here creating the project. So project is now here. You can see this is currently loading the project and processing. Here, what's view JetBrains MPS Microsoft Defender project new language runtime that's come there. Runtime option or here this is sandbox new language. This is structure. So after that you can do so many things there, and this is how we can do the installation of JetBrains MPS on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.